Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many Facebook page administrators face when installing apps on their pages. Have you ever encountered an error message saying Meta, the page admin who installs the app has ceased being an admin? If so, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're not sure what it means or how to resolve it. In this video, we'll break down what this error message actually means, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in resolving this issue and be able to manage your Facebook page apps with confidence. So, let's dive into what this error message actually means. When you install an app on your Facebook page, the person who installs it is typically added as an administrator of that app. However, if that person is later removed as an admin of the page or leaves their role, Facebook may not update its records accordingly. As a result, when you try to manage the app or access its settings, Facebook throws up this error message. The reason for this error is due to how Facebook handles permissions and roles within pages and apps. When someone installs an app, they're essentially granting that app permission to interact with their page. However, if that person's role changes or they leave the page, those permissions aren't automatically updated. This leads to a mismatch between what Facebook thinks is happening with your page and what's actually going on. To resolve this issue, you'll need to update the permissions for the app in question. The first step is to identify which apps are affected by this error message. You can do this by checking the Apps section of your page settings. Look for any apps that have a warning symbol next to them. These are likely the ones causing the issue. Once you've identified the problematic apps, you'll need to reauthorize them using an active admin account. To do this, go into the App settings and look for the Roles or Permissions section. You may need to use a different tab or menu depending on the specific app. Del $4 is free. From here, you should be able to add or remove admins as needed. It's essential to ensure that all page administrators are correctly set up with the necessary permissions for each app. This will prevent any further errors and make it easier to manage your page in the long run. By taking these steps, you'll be able to resolve the Meta, the page admin who installs the app has ceased being an admin error, and get back to managing your Facebook page apps with confidence. To summarize, here are the key points we've covered. The Meta, the page admin who installs the app has ceased being an admin error, occurs when there's a mismatch between what Facebook thinks is happening with your page and what's actually going on. This error typically happens after someone who installed an app is removed as an admin or leaves their role. To resolve this issue, you need to update the permissions for the affected apps using an active admin account. That's it for today's video. We hope we've been able to help clarify what the Meta, the page admin who installs the app has ceased being an admin error message actually means and how to resolve it. If you have any further questions or need more clarification, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on managing your online presence effectively. Don't forget to share this video with anyone else who might find it useful. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.